What's up everyone, welcome to my channel again, and today I'm not talking about car, it's a off-topic video. I'm going to upgrade my PC. My PC is running on the first gen i5. It's cooled by a 240mm AIO water cool. It has 8 GB of RAM, a GT1030 graphic card, which is obviously not for gaming, but I have a nice custom-made backplate that I designed myself and I do it myself. I have a wireless card, I have 2 hard disks, a 550 watts power supply, and a SATA SSD, and also a card reader and a DVD ROM. And what I'm going to upgrade is that a new AMD 3600 Ryzen, a B450 motherboard which is overclockable, and also (16 GB of RAM for the video editing, of course, and a 512 GB of NVMe SSD to replace the SATA. So that's the thing I'm going to upgrade. And well, if you want to build a PC, don't buy something with a gaming badge. Well, I buy the motherboard with the gaming badge because the normal one is out of stock, and I have to spend like 50 ringgit more to get a gaming one, which has the same thing except it has a nicer design and it has a gaming badge, which is totally unnecessary. It doesn't have any improvement on the performance, but the normal one is out of stock. So let's start with the builds. everything is working fine now, and I'm going to switch it off and put back all the panel, and off we go. We're going to install Windows, and yeah, and I'll show you the computer. So now it's actually day 2 of the build. It's actually the following day, and I just finished assembling all the PC, installing all the software, updating all the driver, and I tried some gaming and some rendering work with this new PC. And well, as expected, because I'm still using the same 1030 GPU, so the gaming is still the same. I can only game in like low or medium setting, and there are some game I can even go to high, but it's still the same gaming performance. But when it comes to rendering, wow, the same video that it takes me like 20 minutes to render, now it only takes 3 minutes, from 20 down to 3 minutes. That's a very big improvement. And not just that, during the rendering, I just consumed like 11 gigs of RAM, and since I have a 16 gig of RAM, and I still can open the Google Chrome, browse anything, or I can still open the Microsoft Office. I can even open a Photoshop during rendering. So it is actually very impressive. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video interesting, and comment anything you want. Ask me anything about the computer, or even the next video, and I'll see you in the next video in the car.